everyone, welcome to Spec, your authorised StarLine dealer for the East Midlands. Just wanted to share with you some great features with the StarLine S96 remote start, and here we go. Press and hold lock, hear one chirp, press and hold it again, hear another chirp, and last time, and then we should have remote start. And the van's running. To disable it, we just repeat the process. So lock, 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 and it will disable. That's the remote start with the StarLine S96 alarm system for your Ford Transit Custom. Another great feature with the StarLine alarm systems is using the touch sensors to do various things. On our vehicle, we've just got it set up to give a demonstration of doing remote start from the outside of the vehicle. So providing your vehicle's armed up in this case, and the Bluetooth tag is present to give the vehicle ID of that you are the owner, we just touch the vehicle in a certain area. It activates remote start, and then you'll see the vehicle fire up. And then the same applies, so when you go up to the vehicle and you touch the same area, it'll turn off, unlock the doors, and then go into what's known as driver authorization, and you'll have to then put a PIN code in to start the vehicle. So should anybody get hold of your keys, they can't drive away. So turn it off, vehicle disables, turns off, and now into driver authorization. Another great feature is the StarLine 2 app for your smartphone. So apart from do the lock, unlock, send a hijack signal, you can also do remote start. So let's try it. And vehicle starts. If you would like any more information on the StarLine alarm systems or securing your vehicle, please feel free to drop us a call or send an email to sales@execspec.co.uk. Many thanks.